What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A. I hope you all are having like a super great day whenever you're watching this video. You know, staying mindful, staying out the way, motivated, positive, minding your business. Girl, just having a really great day. What's up, everybody? Thank you for coming back to my channel. It's your girl April, and I'm back. I'm here. Blessed to have woken up above the dirt. Okay, so what more can I say? So y'all already know I have worked with this brand, this company, this website several times throughout the 2026. And when I tell you they have the nicest designer items, girl, listen, if you love a good designer purse, good designer jewelry, clothing, wallet, accessories, check out HANDBAGS.ru. They have amazing service. Plus, they do offer free fast shipping. So today's video is definitely being sponsored by HANDBAGS.ru. If you love designer but are not willing to pay that high price, you definitely want to check out HANDBAGS.ru. They have purses, they have wallets, they have luggage, they have accessories like sunglasses, jewelry. Girl, listen, they even have shoes and clothes. So I will link everything down below, also with a coupon code. So with that being said, I like to share my videos with my daughters. You know what I'm saying? I don't need so many purses because I'm just one person, but I also do like to share my clothing haul videos with them as well. So for this particular video, I did allow my daughter Nay and Mumsy to pick out something that they wanted, as well as I also did pick out something as well. So we're gonna start off with the jewelry, which was my choice. This is a beautiful designer bracelet, and the one that I actually have on is also from HANDBAGS.ru, but I wear this on great occasions. Like, I don't wear it every day because I don't go anywhere, but I do wear this when I go out. If I'm going to the stores, if I'm doing a video, a clothing haul, I do like to wear this bracelet. Very pretty, and this is one of their designer Tiffany bracelets. Now this one right here is a designer bracelet as well. I love gold. I love gold tone, but I do like shiny things. What girl don't like shiny things? So this is the bracelet that I decided to choose. Beautiful detailing. Like I said, I love shiny things. It came very well wrapped and concealed. The gold hardware on this definitely sets it off, and it has a nice amount of weight to it, so it's not hollow inside. And I felt like it would go well with the bracelet that I'm currently wearing. At the head of the bracelet, you will see an opening. I love clasps that are easy to put on, don't really need that much of assistance. This may just be a men's bracelet. It is a little loose than I would prefer. It's still gorgeous. I like it just from the weight and the look of it itself. Really nice and heavy. And I would say that this is more so a men's bracelet. If you have a man in your life, you may want to think about this. It's always nice just to give out gifts in general, especially for that someone special. Then the next item we have here is this gorgeous designer wallet, and it also does come with a dust bag, so that way you can keep it nice and clean when you're not using it. Now this is the one that my daughter Janae picked out, and I thought this was really cute. It does have some artwork all around it, and it's a gorgeous, cute, small, compact wallet, but it also gives you plenty of space for your credit cards or what have you. And it also gives you the opportunity of putting your dollar bills at the top. And also, if you want to store anything like loose change, then you can place that right there. I do like the pink inside. It definitely gives detail. And there's also some openings right here where you can place other items as well as on this side also. So you get a lot of compartments with this wallet right here. And it actually does close very well, very magnetic, and it just fits right in the palm of your hand. This is a cute little wallet for those who are looking for a wallet. Now, the next item is this one right here. This was chosen by my daughter Mumsy. She loves this particular designer. Now this is a great color, which is the brown and black. I love the leather of this, very well made. It also does come with a signature tag, and the strap is cute because I like the width of it. It's very wide, it's not anything too slim, and it also does have a zipper closure. Now I do like the removable strap, so this is actually a removable one, and it does come with a longer one, which I will show you guys from inside. And this one is also adjustable as well. On one side you can adjust it and make it either longer or shorter. So if you are interested in doing like the crossbody looks with your purse, you can definitely do that with this one right here. It has a nice wide D-ring for the hooks, and the gold tone hardware is really nice as well. I like the fact that these swivel so you don't have to worry about your bag twisting twisting. There are several pockets inside. There is the zipper one, which is a standard. On the opposite side, there's also another pocket that has a snap closure. Really nice made. The flat bottom is great. Very nice leather. It feels great. This is all leather. The detailing of this is really good. I'm not sure if this is one of the original grades, which will cost you a little bit more than like the top or the super grades. I do like the logo on the front with the gold hardware. It used to be one of my favorite brands when I first started doing, like, you know, the high-end bags, and I feel like this particular brand is super affordable. But I do like this designer dupe of it because it looks dead spot on. They have a lot of nice items that you may want to check out, so I will definitely link them down below. Along with that, their coupon code. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick video. Stay diva and divolicious, and I will see y'all in the next one.